Hello students, today we are going to study about the packing efficiency. Okay, so what is this packing efficiency? Actually it is the total percentage of the space filled by the particles. Okay, actually we have studied, yes, in the lattice structures there are small spaces also left over and that are known as voids. Okay, so actually how much space is covered in the lattice, okay, by the particles are calculated, and that is known as packing efficiency. Okay, so first we will be studying packing efficiency of HCP and CCP structure, which we have structure about the HCP and CCP we have studied in the last video, isn't it? So here we are going to study about its packing efficiency. Okay, so here you can see what this is a cube, isn't it? As this is a HCP and CCP structure, okay, here atoms will be accommodated in the face centered also along with the corners. Okay, so here we will be seeing and we will be calculating the packing efficiency. Suppose here, okay, this is A, okay, this is B. Here what are present? The particles, okay, and here this is C, isn't it? Now in order to calculate it, okay, I have drawn what circles over here. Okay, here you can see what this is will be denoted as small p. Okay, this as small a, and this is actually what now formed a right angle triangle. Okay, or a isosceles triangle. Okay, so here you can see in this triangle which A, B and C, A, B and C, here AC square is equal to what? AC square is equal to, I said this is what? B. AC square is equal to B square. Okay, and this B square is equal to what? BC square, isn't it? BC square plus what? AB square, according to what? The Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so now here what will happen? B square is equal to, I said, I had named it as what? Small a, this is similar. Okay, so B square will be what? This A square plus this A square, isn't it? So now, if this B square is A square plus A square, okay, so now B square will be what? 2A square. Okay, now removing the square, okay, what will happen? B is equal to what? In the root 2A. Okay, now if this B is equal to in the root 2A, now next step you see here the triangle, okay, the same triangle, okay, which is over here, I have taken it in the small form. Okay, taken out the triangle outside. This is A, B and C. Now see here the radius, okay, of that particle. Okay, here only half it is accommodating. Here whole sphere you can see, so whole R plus R it becomes, and here only half, so R. So what is this small b now representing? It is representing 1, 2, 3 and 4 R. Okay, so 4 R is equal to what? In the root 2a, isn't it? Did you understand over here? Actually here b is how much? 4 R. I've said you 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, here. So now if 4R is equal to in the root 2a, so R is equal to what it will become? A upon 2 root 2, isn't it? Now each unit cell consists of how many spheres? 4 spheres. From where did this 4 sphere come? Actually this is consisting of what? FCP, isn't it? And FCP, how many it will accommodate how many atoms? It is how much? 1 in primitive plus what? 3, isn't it? In the cell we have solved it earlier only. How many atoms are there in FCP? It is 4. 1 is coming from a primitive one, and 3 it is coming from the phase which has been divided in, isn't it? And half it comes, so it becomes what? 4 spheres. Okay, so now total volume of the sphere will be how much? Okay, now if we are talking about the volume of the sphere, it is denoted by formula what? 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Okay, so here how many atoms are there? How many spheres are there? 4. So 4 into 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Okay, so now volume of 1 cube is a what? How much volume of the cube will be how much? See here. What happens if I am saying about only one a? It is what? Its value is 2 root 2r, isn't it? But here, in order to take out the volume of the cube, it is a cube. So it becomes 2 in the root 2r cube. Okay. So now, for calculating the packing efficiency, how we calculate it? Okay, it means what? The number of atoms in that cube and the space, which is total space which is there in the cube, isn't it? Into what? 100. So here how we will be writing it? Volume of 4 sphere in unit cell. Okay, because this much of atoms are there. Okay, upon what? Volume of the unit cell into what? 100. Okay, so now we're writing that volume of the 4 sphere will be how much? We have written it over here, 4 into 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Okay, by what? Volume of the unit cell. Volume of the unit cell, the total volume of the cube is how much? A cube, and that is written as what? 2 into root 2r cube into what? 100. And when we will be solving it, this r and r will be cancelled, and naturally what will be the result? What will come? Will come 74%. So packing efficiency in HCP and CCP structure is 74%.